So Joan Donovan, she's 89 years old, finished her degree that she had long always wanted to achieve. This story didn't come to us through Share Your Story or anything like that. Her son had reached out to somebody at the university asking what size the diploma was so that he could get her a frame for Christmas. So this was a week before Christmas last year that it came to our team, and somebody said, like, do we want to bring her diploma to her? And of course, it had been a long year. It was the week before Christmas. I was like, do we want to add this to the team's plate? Do we want to, you know, work with the family to do something like the Friday before Christmas? But when we found out that it was just in the next town over from where I was visiting my own parents, I had said that I would, bring the diploma to her and do a little mini graduation party outside. So again, we had no big staff. Did not have a video crew, but my mom tagged along with me, which was a great help. And I had asked her to film the surprise moment of me delivering the diploma to Joan on my iPhone horizontally. And again, like that was the video that ended up on ABC World News. And so again, when you're thinking about getting media relations, you don't need to have a huge team. You don't need to have a huge budget. You just have to have good ideas and the willingness to try new things. So it was a great moment. It was, again, the Friday before Christmas. And that story played out over 3 weeks. Usually we're not, we always get the advice in PR to not pitch something on Friday, and especially the Friday before a major holiday. But we ended up pitching that feel-good story around Christmas, and it got some local pickup in Florida over the weekend. And then that following week between Christmas and New Year's, I think, outlets were trying to fill some space in the news cycle. So it got a little bit more pickup. And then the Monday after New Year's, it was like that odd holiday, the second, that some people had off for a federal holiday and some people didn't. And our local station, WMUR in New Hampshire, had said, hey, we're trying to fill some space. Do you have some more information on this story? And they ended up running it then. So a whole 10 days later. And then it got a whole new wave of pickup. It got a syndicated network that had picked it up, and it was in a number of outlets across the country. Good Morning America picked it up, and then eventually ABC World News. So all to say, sometimes you just have to throw the PR media relations rule book out the window